Nairobi is dead asleep, but in Umoja Inako estate, a car is already waiting for 4 9-year-olds and a 13-year-old from this house. All 5 of them physically challenged are lumped to the back seat. The car takes off via Jogoro to the city center, where they will be stationed throughout the day. It's a rush against time for the driver. Soon the city will be a sea of humanity, yet he needs to drop off the children without anyone's notice. A cart is on standby, waiting to drop off the children in different streets. Daybreak is fast approaching. The cold morning breeze awakens the sleepy children as the cart maneuvers to their drop-off points in Accra, Ludhuli, Tomboya, Munya and Ronald Ngala streets. "6:20, all children are settled and Good Samaritans are already pouring their generosity into their cups. We ask one of them if they had breakfast. He says no. Fortunately for this one, a Good Samaritan gave him something to eat instead of coins. It's a day-long job with no off day for these children. By end of day, they must show something if they have to continue sleeping under a roof. They have no choice. They are strangers in this land. These physically challenged children are apparently cash machines for some crafty and conniving individuals. With the help of detectives from the Criminal Intelligence Unit, we trailed one cartel that had been operating for 4 years. There are more. 5 p.m. we watched as the children moved with difficulty from their respective streets to an assembly point in Ronald Ngala Street. Their car had arrived and the driver was standing across the road. For 2 hours, he waited patiently for darkness to set in so he could load his passengers without passers-by noticing anything untoward. But still, he needed a red herring to distract curious onlookers. But just when he thought he was done, detectives pounced. We hit the road back to Umoja Inako to meet the faces behind this cartel. Inside, we meet 27-year-old Yohana Kulwa, a Tanzanian national, and his Kenyan wife, Josephine Mweni. The contents of the pouches assigned to the 5 children yield a sum that would impress any business person as a day's collection. In just a day, and obviously tax-free. Noticing that the long arm of the law had finally caught up with them, everyone tried to save their neck.
Shilingi 5 ya huyu mwanaume anipeangi hata moja akiwa hapo mbele yangu. Chakula ndio ananunua.
Nani ananunua chakula?
Huyu sikatai chakula ananunua. Na mimi napigia watoto. Na mimi sina mtoto hata mmoja hapa, watoto wangu hayuko hapa.
Ngoja, watoto wametoka wapi?
Wametoka Tanzania.
Wote?
Wote ni wa Tanzania.
Si hata walikuwa naishi hata Kariobangi wako wengi tu.
Wewe una pesa ngapi yao sasa hivi? Tangu ukae nao.
Sasa hii sina pesa yao, nilienda nikawanunulia mabati ya kuwajengea nyumba yao.
Nyumba iko wapi?
Si huko Tanzania nilikuwa nawajengea huko.
Going by an average earning of about 10,000 shillings a day, this couple could be raking in about 300,000 a month without breaking a sweat. But while the couple was literally minting money, their tools of trade, who happen to be these innocent children, are condemned to a future without hope.
And certainly that is not a way to deal with children in need.
Emma nani?
Emma Manuel.
Police confirmed this evening that about 5 people had been arrested in connection to this syndicate. They were taken to the Buruburu police station, awaiting to be charged in court, while the children were transferred to a safe house in police custody. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.